right, it's another lovely day and it's just getting past 9 o'clock. You are listening to, for those listening to Procyon Radio and watching us, or for those watching Procyon Television, this is the program Make Them Talk, a program where we pick up trending conversations in the country and beyond and bring them to you in a language that you can relate to. My name is Ehis, Agbon, and today for the program Make Them Talk, like you know, we bring different talks from different parts of the country concerning stories and news where we say people they talk about. Now that's why we say we call the program Make Them Talk, so that on ourselves we feel they talk about this thing. We will carry a computer for center table, everybody will shoot their mouth good and talk about them. And I not say for the program I get my guest now Mazi, Uche, Ijegalu. Mazi, welcome to the program today.
Good morning and good morning listeners. I greet all of you.
All right, and I don't hear them. For the program today, we get plenty of things, but remember say una fit talk to us if una call our line 08094646206 and 08097991989, and the number will be say una fit call us to make una contributions on the program. Una also fit go our social media portal. We're there for Facebook, we're there for YouTube, we're there for TikTok, Instagram, LinkedIn, and Thread. And our social media handle na Procyon RTV. Just type at Procyon RTV. Una go see her, we go pop up. Una go tell, una go drop na comment and observations. And the program will be so I want comment about now. Look for around or comment about the program. And for those who also want to drop their WhatsApp voice note, we also get facility to receive your WhatsApp voice note. The number is 0809-799-1989. So we will expect you to call in or to drop your voice note or to go comment for our social media portal. Once you are ready, make sure you subscribe. If you never subscribe, you like and follow us. Share the comments and share the content really there so that everybody will know what you talk, and also enjoy the thing where we give now on top the program. All right, from the program, the one we'll put on, I know say we'll start from Truth Nigeria. Truth Nigeria, now one media news website where we say they help people to discover the truth about Nigeria. They get plenty to read here. We'll look there and look the story with day. We'll also check the different newspaper where we say they outside today. For those who never go vendor side, those who never go join Free Readers Association, this is our own small Free Readers Association, top radio and television. Now if you also join us and hear what's in the on top the different newspaper every day by 9 o'clock in the morning and 9 o'clock in the night. Maybe we start from Truth Nigeria. Truth Nigeria website now, truthnigeria.com. Now their website, and to go there, all you need to do now to type www.truthnigeria.com. I will tell that one again, www.truthnigeria.com. Once you now go there, you now go see the different stories. So we say they for the front page of truthnigeria.com. Now, this is not the major stories, really the landing page of truthnigeria.com. The first one, Ansaru terror group responsible for our church massacre. Security expert. Now, one security expert, I talk say Ansaru now they responsible for our church massacre. Now, remember saying now on the 5th of June last year, now in the entire church go kill almost 40-something people for the church there. From the worker they don't discover say na Ansaru na him do this work. From that one, we will move on to another story, and this time around, the next story one we will look at seizure of Plateau land jumped 200% in 6 years, and this particular story, now one tribal coalition, that's different tribal people from that side, now then talk. After that one, we will enter the next one. Will be President Tinubu sparks outrage by freeing accused Fulani militia. That one another story where we say also the touch people. They say President Tinubu sparked outrage by freeing accused Fulani militia leader Bello Bodejo. And that story they are among the two people we talk about for town today. From that one we will look the next story for the landing page will be remembering the Owomataya That one we talked about yesterday, so maybe we just jump down and move to the other things we still there for Truth Nigeria website. Other story where the homepage of Truth Nigeria include the one where they say Zamfara police nab assemblyman district head in banditry crackdown. That story is a story when I believe say they very, very precocious. May I go open them and read waiting the inside. Also, we get another story where they say Fitch rating predicts Naira slide to 1,450 Naira to the dollar by December. That one too. Now go through Nigeria.com, go read details of the story. Nigeria court freezes 11.1 billion in assets tied to ex-central bank chief Emefiele. We talked about that one yesterday for the program. And we will move on. US lawmakers raise alarm over detained Binance executive in Nigeria. US government chook mouth for that talk. We're going to go through Nigeria, go find out more about that one. The next story in our mining site collapse, traps dozens, one confirmed dead. That one, a sad note with that one. Where it happened, how it happened, go to Nigeria.com, go find out, because Truth Nigeria will help you discover the truth about Nigeria. And the last headline we will take from Truth Nigeria now. UAE opens door to Nigeria again. Long awaited visa ban reportedly lifted. We also talked about that one yesterday. You better make it so now go there, go check them out and see how the team be. All right, from that side, may we generally move goes, talk about the different newspapers we say we go review today. On top of the program, the different papers we want to check out today include the New Nigerian newspaper, the Daily Asset newspaper, the Daily Times newspaper, Daily Trust newspaper, also the amount paper we want to I put today. We will also come look inside the Nation newspaper. Then we will round that up by looking inside Blueprint newspaper. So, let me just go straight to begin look the different headlines where they inside them. But before we begin look the headlines, maybe we also do in-depth look inside the major headline where they for Truth Nigeria, where the Ansar terror group responsible for our church massacre, security expert. And this story now, look at Binyat and Shegun Nibiyo, where they write for Truth Nigeria and then carry the story put for ground. Mounting evidence and expert testimony points to the terrorist group Ansaru as responsible for the Oyo Church massacre on June 5, 2022. Truth Nigeria has learned. More concerning is that the stealthy and deadly jihadist sect is rapidly emerging in several Nigerian states. And this particular story, two women can come. Yes, they be say one of the person will be say carry out this attack when they catch. He can't do one video. Inside the video, he talk the reason why they can chook leg put, chook hand put, and chook everything put.
My name is Isa Yusuf. I'm from Kogi State, Okene local government. 32 years old. I'm married with 2 kids, 2 sons. Yeah, my education level is O level, and I'm a plumber by profession. I'm a member of Ansar terrorist group. I have carried on many operations since 2013. But I started going out on operation, I think early 2015. And the operation on Ikare Bank and the police division there is my first operation, followed by the Owo, the attack on Owo Bank and the 2 police stations there. So after that, I've carried on many operations that I can't even remember some. The Ebira version of the Ansar group operated mainly in the southern part of Nigeria. Yeah. And we have section by section. For instance, like the section which I head, we specialize in kidnapping only. And the section was formed recently. So while other sections carrying out public attack on banks and other public places, and stations. The person that introduced me to the group was Abdurrahman. His name was Abdurrahman, but he's dead now. He's not. He's dead. So he preached to me, though it is a religion that we do, just like a normal salat that we observe. So he introduced me to the group, he preached to me, he told me the significance of the group, as in of our actions carrying out the attacks and other things. And our main purpose is to establish Sharia law in Nigeria. So and our aims of attacking banks and kidnapping was to fund the movement. So from that 2013 to 2015, whoever wants to join the group, we don't just accept people the way they come. So we give them time to observe them, if they are serious or if they are spies, and they undergo many training. The least of the training is the physical combat training. So I train in somewhere in the bush in Okene there for some numbers of days. We train how to fight physical combat with weapons and without weapon. Like I said, I was among the people that attacked Ikare in 2015 and Owo again in 2015. We did many operations in Osun State, Okene, different parts. I can't remember some of them. The section was created last year, and my first operation was on one man called Baba Petroleum in Edo State, Auchi, Jetu precisely. So we collected 70 million naira. The other one was one Lebanese man in Owo, Ondo State, collected 110 million. And the last one was in Abuja here, one Usman Dauda Abere, collected 200 million. I collect ransom in cash, in dollars, not in naira. So after that, I submit everything to Abu Baro, who happens to be the overall leader of Ansar. So there is no sharing formula. Though he do give us money just for compensation, and he decide how much to give us. There is no specific sharing formula that applies to it. Like I said earlier, the purpose of kidnapping or attacking banks is to fund the movement.
May we leave the story there of the person will be saying then catch, we can they confess as then they carry out the operation and the different badness when they do. I don't know, see how Ansar is different from Boko Haram. If you can read the details of the story from Truth Nigeria, and also Ansar was spreading southward. All of this and many more. Full inside Truth Nigeria, that could tell now Truth Nigeria, now we are going to discover the truth about Nigeria. From that one, we can move on to the newspaper. We want to look for the program today, the details. So it is. We'll start from New Nigerian newspaper, where the first headline when we carry it here, what they call the major headline. Now, CNPP urges Nigerian workers to demand deserved national living wage amid economic challenges. And other story for inside the New Nigerian newspaper include Kaduna to plant 10 million trees to combat desertification. We also get the story of NAPTI investigating many orphanages for human trafficking. And the DG of NAPTI, they talk that one. Also for inside New Nigerian newspaper, we get names of community condemned reported kidnap of Paramount ruler's wife. From that one, we will go daily asset. Inside daily asset, PDP tackles Tinubu over fuel subsidy. And also the story, lack of equipment slow down rescue of trapped Niger miners. Policemen talk that one. And the last headline for daily asset, that Senate confirms Agama as SEC DG, that's Security and Mission. From that one, let's enter Daily Times. Inside Daily Times newspaper, the major story at the front page now, complaint of shady 5.4 trillion naira fuel subsidy deal. Atiku, PDP tell Tinubu, and this picking with the headline carries talk, say APC government is cesspit of corruption, deceit, asks president to be accountable to Nigerians. The other headline with the front of page of the Daily Times be politicians soon go to court if INEC judiciary is fair, upright. Now former President Jonathan I talked that one. Also the story of Kano Emirates talks to still there, court to rule on jurisdiction on June 13th. Also the story where House of Rep tell NCC to introduce pay as you go policy for internet providers. From the Daily Times, we will come move down, go the Daily Trust, where the major story with the front page of the Daily Trust talks say, bandits kill 7 policemen, 35 others in Zamfara, Katsina, and the story carries small picking for back. The first picking we carry review security strategy, Senate tells Tinubu, and the second picking Tambuwa calls for state of emergency. Other headline within the front page of the Daily Trust, private sector demands concession as Labour awaits federal government. Private sector to say that minimum wage whether they talk, then you get power to take handler. Other stories, therefore, Daily Trust, pick up a copy, read them, and understand what they talk. From the Daily Trust, we go enter the Nation's newspaper, where the major story there now, the same one of NLC at the wage team, and governors soon pay above 70,000. Uzodinma panel to give report. Federal government didn't offer 105, says presidency. Also, for the front page of the Nation newspaper, we get the one way Kaduna's stolen money should be recovered, says Shehu Sani. Kaduna's stolen money should be recovered, says Shehu Sani. Now Shehu Sani talked that one. For the details of that one, I go pick up a copy of the Nation, read them, and understand what they talk. And the last paper one we'll look this morning, Blueprint newspaper. Inside Blueprint newspaper, the story where they said review Nigeria's security strategy. Said it tells Tinubu, and that headline carries more children. Said troop neutralized 9,303 terrorists, 9,562 surrender in 1 year. And the other one, gunmen kill 7 Mopo, 5 others in Zamfara state. And sports headline for Blueprint, World Cup qualifier, Boniface, Lookman to spearhead Super Eagles goal rush against Bafana. And lastly, presidency tackles Atiku over 5.4 trillion subsidy comment. When I go pick Blueprint newspaper, I get details of this story and understand what it is they talk there. So Mazi, we don't hear all of the headlines, but we'll begin analyzing. We'll start from this Truth Nigeria story where they talk say Ansaru terror group responsible for our church massacre, security expert. And from the gist and all of that, we see say Ansaru don't the move go south. They talk say their major base of operation now Edo State, Ondo State, and Kogi State. Now they operate. And from that interview, well, what I also hear now, yesterday the boy talk say them, their group, the person who carry them now Ansaru for Ibira land. I will say we don't enter one chance or waiting now. This is when they look say they far away. As they talk up, person they look say they far away. He go say no concern now. Before you know it don't in backyard. Mazi, shook mouth.
As they talk, I just think since I just think come inside my mind say now which kind of country we dey. Today you will see this group now Ansaru. He don't even talk say they don't dey since now them do our war. And then do Ikare.
Yes.
Now the one wey talk wey will not be that too. Yeah, all that so no. But anyone will say Boko Haram, you say kidnappers. Or these groups, federal government, I want to ask, these groups wey dey around, they pass for. This group no pass federal government. E no pass federal government. I beg. Now where our hope dey? If these people they come out and things they happen like this, where we go run to? Now where we go run go?
You see one thing about this whole thing. The time when this thing happen, everybody blame Fulani. Say that Fulani people go
and their hand no dey inside.
And their hand no dey inside.
And their hand no dey inside.
Now we see the people wey do am. Na different group. They no be even Boko Haram. They come up from Boko Haram since 2012. Now if them this Ansar
go form their own.
Go form their own. They come dey Ibira land, like Ibira tribal people. They majorly be Sha. And now that's why a good person get good character.
Imagine the guy they even say he's married, get 2 children, 2 boys.
Yes.
Let me say he don't dey train boys to be what he be. Kai.
And this side they say for the end, and I hear how the guy also talk say they no get any sharing formula. The guy who they collect 70 million from, who they collect 110 million, who they collect 300, they will carry the money because now they receive the ransom. Say they go change them to dollars, you go carry and go give their oga for Abuja, then the oga go find them something. Say then they do the kidnapping and all the robbing of bank to take raise money to form the Asaru terrorist group. Uche.
Hi.
Let me just move on to the next one and leave this.
You see, those men who dey hear about when they do all these things, you get the day where be say night go come, you go to pray when morning come, you no go see the money. Just continue to do it. But that monkey where they put hand inside person, one day trap go dey inside that soup, you no go fit comot your hand.
That's so. All right, so we will look at the newspaper and then look at the different headlines. Maybe we'll take this first one from New Nigeria, where Congress of Nigeria political parties don't tell workers, say, I beg, we could not demand national living wage amid economic challenges. This one, they say, make them no agree, make them make sure say what the government give them and waiting, go fit take care of them from beginning to end.
You know, say, you say someone they call Zuga. Let them push them, push them. See, for this minimum wage issue, we don't talk about since 1 week now, thereabouts. If we now know the right thing, make una do it. I don't ask them the other day, I say, how much we want bag of fries? What do we even drag self? If one person, they talk of 11 billion Nigerian naira, wait there for in assets, one person, make you break that money into particles. Make you see how much how many. In short, generally, how many businesses are in Nigeria? All in all, if they say make them break them into at least 200,000 naira, that money go around monthly and everybody go do well. But what we want that to, they don't get the money, but they go steal them now. They like make Asaru group go steal them. They change it to $2. But you don't go give the people the work. Hi, we get this thing. Government. This matter, more than into that.
Okay, another headline will be say also popular among the different paper. So now this headline on the 5.4 trillion naira way, then talk say Tinubu government don't pay for subsidy upon say they do subsidy. So Atiku and PDP they talk say may they come clean tell Nigeria truth. Say be like say monkey hand they inside that soup.
Yeah, you see why I like Tracking Adamawa, that is Atiku Abubakar. You know they always appear for paper. If you observe them, not be always in the appear, but anytime we have for paper, you don't be say he get what he see. For him to come out like this, can't talk. Not be say and they say what you talk are true or not be true. But Kai, this money heavy. But if not true in the talk, government will come out and tell us what's in there.
Government make una come out and tell us wetin dey na wetin Mazi dey talk with that. And this Kaduna stolen money should be recovered, says Shehu Sani. He na comrade. He talk say this money because the Kaduna State House of Assembly don talk say El-Rufai get question to answer. And some of his aides and those who work with him, they don't already they point their finger, they mention their name, they even tell one commissioner and say they need to step aside, make them investigate. The former aide where they there, Then they don't point pointing finger. They say they will hand them over to the different people like EFCC and ICPC. How you see this one?
Well, like I said yesterday, I did this Kaduna when El-Rufai be governor of Kaduna State. And nobody they walk out for see they smile that time. Everybody they frown. Well, not be saying a revenge time or anything. But what I want to talk here be say, if you know say you get money where you carry will not be your own, will belong to Kaduna, return am to them. That's if there is anything like that. You understand? Because me, I don't know.
Yes.
But if something like that they carry and give them, because it's not be your own. If anything like that they, only thing I need to talk for this thing with that.
All right, and the last one we will look for inside the program today. Now, the one wey be say get to do with sports, because me I know say you like sports well. This World Cup qualifier when they come, as our camp don dey full well. Now Boniface and Lookman, we know say two of them, their leg be like fire. They don show for camp, and then they look say they will help us to get plenty goals for this qualifier, so we'll get to it. Bafana of South Africa. How you see this one?
Yeah, funny enough, the Boniface you mentioned and Lookman. Lookman, he break record wey nobody don ever break for the world. Just last 2 weeks.
Yes.
Only him enter for finals of
champion.
Europa League.
Yes.
Only him. Wire 3 goals inside net. Only him. Hat-trick, only him. And the person wey he play against, now this same Boniface. By Liverpool.
Okay.
Now 2 Nigerians they do magic. And I hear say he get another wonder kid wey dey that place they call Teller. The guy dey camp. This match be like say na 8 p.m. today. Be like say I don't too know the time, but be like say na 8 p.m. But if na 8 p.m.
That's if they watch out for Nigeria.
For Nigeria. No, Nigeria will play the match na full. Yeah.
But you know say they when they hear us now, they different part of
yes, anywhere where they watch out. Nigerian time na 8 p.m. I think so.
Yeah.
I want talk say finish the judge. I hear say some old home base day. Make I tell you, South Africa come here make they come revenge. We knack them Apako during Nations Cup.
Yes.
Beat them front and back. They don't come here come play. If you do anyhow for this match, truly we go see anyhow. Osimhen no dey. No mean say our guys no go do well.
Yes.
We get all that attack. In fact, for the world now, I don't see any country wey get the kind of staff wey Nigeria get.
Yes.
We are the best. So if you the judge, I pray. In fact, my hand dey off for now. I know someone go win.
So another win I want to say today, because now our nature may with the win, we will know they carry last. So I beg, may we try our best to make sure say all of the time we dey on top and we dey carry first.
That's all.
Now I thought we go end the program today, but before we go end the program, we know say weekend don already show, and even as now they jollificate and enjoy themselves this weekend. People can remember those people wey dey under privilege. I beg, look around your area. Any person you see say he never chop belle full, or not business they go chop belle full. He never chop.
If you just get two, share, give.
Make the things circulate. Want to thank everybody. Mazi, thank you very much. So you get a chance, come make them talk today. I'd like to thank Dominic Emmanuel, Nifemi Onibiyo, and Sarah Agbon for the program. My name now Ehis Agbon. Until on Monday, when we will come with another episode of Make Them Talk, we could not remember to be part of the program. We could have first of all go download the Procyon Radio and TV app from the Google Play Store. By the time that download them, you could have installed them both on a phone and on another mobile device. The advantage with this one is say, first of all, if you download them, data will could chop for you to watch or listen or read about us will be very, very small. You know, go waste so much data, unlike maybe you go other place. Then you go feel watch Procyon television, that television you want to watch. You feel just listen to Procyon Radio if they are saying at radio levels you one day. Or you just want to read, you know, one noise, you will feel read procyonnews.com, because all the things what they do also there for procyonnews.com. So make una download them, Procyon Radio and TV app, so that una go get everything. They call it a one-stop shop for all your news and information need. Download the Procyon Radio and TV app. And if you never subscribe to our YouTube channel, our handle now, Procyon RTV. Subscribe to our channel, share, comment, and like everything what you see there. We also there for Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, LinkedIn, and Thread. Our name there too now, Procyon RTV. Make sure like us, follow us, And like always, they encourage you to drop their comments and observations so that we know how una they feel and how una want us to serve una. Until on Monday, like always, we will say una bye bye yo.
Say you want know the truth about Nigeria? Now for Truth to Nigeria, you go find them. Your ogbonge correct authentic news where they dilute the matter proper. Oya, check truthnigeria.com for the true story where matter from government go enter international politics. Discover the truth behind the headlines. Truth to Nigeria, now where the fact they jam body with clarity. Oya, discover the truth about Nigeria today. Just visit truthnigeria.com now.